In this video, we are unboxing the RLC-511WA 5-megapixel spotlight Wi-Fi camera with person and vehicle detection, showing you how to install and set it up in minutes. When you open the box, you'll find your RLC-511WA camera and other parts that help install and use it right away. RLC-511WA camera is a versatile security camera over 2.4 and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi. Powered by on-camera person and vehicle detection technology, it gives more accuracy and fewer unnecessary alarms. Featuring 5 megapixels Super HD resolution and 5 pieces of motion spotlights, the camera can record high-quality videos in full color from morning to night. With 4 pieces of infrared LEDs, it can still capture clear details from up to 100 feet away, even when the spotlights are not triggered. The newest 5x optical zoom feature enables the camera to freely zoom in without quality reduction or zoom out for a wider field of view. With mic and speaker, it supports two-way audio. Micro SD card socket is built for optional micro SD card up to 256 gigabytes and IP66 weatherproof rating for working outdoors, even in bad weather. Smart home integration empowers you to control your camera with voice, and time-lapse makes it possible to see the dynamic of long-term events. It also comes with a cable with 3 connectors: the network cable, the power port, and the reset button. Now, connect RLC-511WA and initially set it up. Connect your camera to the router's LAN port with the network cable. Power on your camera with a power adapter. To set up the camera, open the RealLink app. Then, follow the in-app instructions to finish the initial setup. Now you can check the live view and receive alerts of person or vehicle on your phone. RLC-511WA is easy to install in only 4 steps. Put the mounting template on the wall to help with the installation. Drill holes and screw them out to the wall at the indicated locations. Then loosen the screws with the wrench to unlock the camera and adjust the camera viewing angle. Finally, tighten the screws to lock the camera. For a better image or video performance, please avoid facing the RLC-511WA directly to sunlight or glass windows. Also, avoid mounting it in places where are too dim or too bright, or where rain or snow can hit the camera lens directly. For more about installing and using RealLink RLC-511WA person and vehicle detection camera with spotlight, visit support.reallink.com.